that was, yeah, that was my carrier you were hearing. 3834.8. Well, I gotta see how close I am to frequency. Yeah, Perry, how you doing? Can you copy me okay now? This is a Kenwood 430, a TS 430 Kenwood. I just got to tune you in to make sure I'm on frequency. Okay, really good. I don't want to hold you up too much, just say hello. I recently raised my antenna, and I'm not finished with it yet. My feed point impedance is not correct. I got to fix that. And I'm going to be raising I have two towers in my backyard. I have two separate towers. I'm going to be stringing the dipole from one tower. I have a tower, a tree, and my chimney. I have two towers, a tree, and my chimney. And the towers are, one is 55 feet, the other one is 40 feet. So I'm going to be reconfiguring the dipole. It's going to be strung between the towers. The feed point is going to be in a different spot. So I'm going to be working on that next few weeks before it gets too cold. So my signal will be a lot better. And on AM, I just finished working on my amplifier. And with my ISO 720, which I just, I think you heard it last 2 weeks ago. I'm still in the process of modifying that. I made a lot of changes to it, and I just finished up an amplifier that now works. And so with 50 watts of carrier going into the amp, I'm putting out about 300 watts or so, and that's just on a dead carrier. The modulator will be the next thing. So the point is, Perry, that I'm going to be up there with a much stronger signal, and then I'll be on more often on the AM carrier net. I just thought I'd tell you that. Back to you.
Hold on a second, I'm trying to... Yeah, Justin thinks I'm recording it. But yeah, and he gave me a decent signal pretty much every time I hear you in the morning, so you're doing good now, so I'd be interested to see how things, interested to see any improvements that you may make when you raise things up. I run a W7FG doublet, 125 foot doublet, 600 ohm ladder line fed, about 125 feet of feed line, and then 125 feet of wire in the air. It tunes on every single band that I use it on, 20, 40, 80, 60 meters as well. It's a cloud burner on 40. The apex is at 65 feet. The one leg is up at about 30 feet, and the other leg is only up about 10 feet. That's where how high the ends are off the ground. It's the only way I could orient it here with my property. So, but it works great here on 75 meters. It works like gangbusters on 75 meters. Works really good into Europe on 20, but like I said, on 40, it's a stateside cloud burner for sure, Andy. Well, the Kenwood sounds great right here on frequency now. Glad to catch you here on sideband. Let me put you in the log for a sideband contact here, which is pretty cool. And we'll say 7-3. I got to get running, Andy. I got to be at work at 8 o'clock, so time is ticking. But anyway, man, if we don't talk to you between now and then, we'll catch you Sunday morning, and I hope you had a great weekend. Back to you, Andy. I'll listen out for your final. 7-3, buddy. WA2CDL from W3MMR.
Okay, Perry, really good. And fine business on your antenna situation. Yeah, I'm running barefoot. This week puts out about 100 watts of carrier on peak. I keep me on beats. The 100 watts I carry. If I go to CW, it's 100 watts. I can. That's what I'm putting out now. I don't have my bird watt meter on the line right now, but eventually I'll do that. But I can tell you a lot of technical things. Cause I'm a technician. I work on radios. I've been doing that for a long time, and I'm looking forward to the next ham fest. I've been to Near Fest many times. I don't know if you've been there, but I'll let you go because you're late. Yeah, I don't want you to be late for work. We'll talk again. Now I know where to catch you in the morning. W3MMR. Have a good day today. Good talking to you again. WA2CDL.
Yeah, see you, Andy. Oh, sorry, I have a monitor on there. And you can find us. We're not usually here on 3835 in the mornings. We had there was a net up to ban, so we gave them the frequency. But we're usually here, or excuse me, on 3872, 3870, somewhere around there, or down around 3810. So that's usually anytime between 6:30 and about now. So catch up with you later, Andy. 7-3 again. Great catching up with you this morning, and good luck with all the projects over there, man. And sounds like you got everything going on. WA2CDL 73 from W3MMR. We'll catch you, Andy.
All right, thanks for the info, and yeah, we'll be around. 73, let you go. WA2CDL. Have a good day.